Desert roses, known scientifically as Adenium obesum, are extraordinary plants, native to the arid regions of Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. The infinite diversity of colors and shapes, robust and twisted trunks, the sculptural shape of the stem and exposed roots give the plants an almost bonsai-like appearance. Infinity of patterns and formats. This diversity makes each plant unique. A form of occupational therapy, extremely relaxing and rewarding, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Daily interaction with nature promotes deep well-being. Desert roses are a testament to nature's diversity and resilience, a source of beauty, joy, and well-being. It is an enriching experience that offers both visual and emotional pleasure. Desert roses are seen as symbols of perseverance and beauty. In short, desert roses are more than ornamental plants. They represent a confluence of beauty, resilience, and passion. A form of occupational therapy, they bring color and life to any environment while providing a deep sense of personal fulfillment and connection to nature.